So today I gotta go run some errands today. It finally got cold here in Texas, so I get to wear my jacket and I get to wear my little hoodie and my scarf because it's like freezing outside. Finally, it gets cold here in Texas like really late, and I've seen other vloggers have like a wonderland snow outside their house. Like it's all covered with white snow. Like it's looks so beautiful over there wherever they're at, but here in Texas it was like super hot and muggy. So now it is finally cold, so I get to wear my whole winter clothes. I think I showed this to you in one of my vlogs. I had said I didn't like it, but now that I put it on with everything, I guess it looks pretty cute. I guess I like it. So I'm wearing all black. I'm wearing a tank top, but I'm gonna keep the jacket so I'm not too hot, you know. So I just put my scarf on, and then I paired it with the jacket, and then I'm just wearing the black shoes from Shein, and then the jacket is from Shein as well. And then I'm gonna go show you guys my hoodie. So this is the hoodie that I got from Shein. It's really cute. It has this cute little pretty color ball on the top, this fuzzy ball, but I guess it goes like that because it's like really long, so I'm not sure, but it looks super cute, you guys. It's a little smushed. I have to fix it. But yeah, I gotta run to the bank. I gotta do some other stuff. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm super happy I can wear my jacket. So I just got here to the bank. I don't like the way my makeup looks. It feels like I put too much makeup on or something. Like I hardly ever, like I haven't put on makeup in such a long time. But I don't like the way my makeup looks right now. Like inside my house, it feels like the makeup looks okay, but then once I go outside in the daylight, like, oh my god, it looks like I put too much makeup on. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside to the bank because a lady's like right here staring at me like, why am I talking to myself? But anyway, I'm gonna go to the bank, and then let me grab my purse. I just got home, so look at this hat. Isn't it so cute? I think it was like only like, I don't know how much it was. I will link it down below for you guys, but it's so cheap at Shein. Like you can find some pretty sweaters or some pretty shirts for $9, $11, and they're so pretty. And they just have like a whole bunch of cute stuff, you guys. Oh my god, you gotta check Shein out. If you haven't bought from there already, you should. Like there's so much stuff there. But these are the groceries I just got today. Just a little bit of groceries today. Like sodas. I got free cookies today. Awesome. And some eggs, some sodas. Let's see, I'm gonna make fruit cocktail again because my husband didn't really get to eat any, so I'm gonna make that. Some bread and some eggs, some potatoes. Let me see what Lily's gonna wear today. Let's see. I go to her room real quick. Oh, look at my son's, he's a big 49er fan. As you can see, his bed is 49ers. Look at his tree. His tree has, that's my son Tyler, so his tree has little 49er helmets, lights. Isn't that so cute? And so he did his red and gold. I thought that was so cute. And Lily's tree of course has girly pink stuff. And then I just got her some little poodles. Aren't these so cute? This one has snow in it. I got these from Walmart, but I mean, they're just so cute. She put that on her tree. It's for her door. And I also got her some, I just got her some pink little bows too, but I thought this poodle was just so cute. But anyway, let me see what she's gonna wear today.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what.
Oh my god, you guys, like, oh my god. I went to the grocery store and my husband wanted fruit salad for me to make fruit salad because he didn't really get that much last week for Thanksgiving. And I thought I got everything for the fruit salad, and I forgot 3 things on my list. Well, I didn't make a list, but I just went for a few things and I forgot 3 things. So he went right now to go get them. I felt so bad. I was like, I forgot the strawberry stuff to put in the fruit salad, and I forgot sugar. And so he went right now to go get them. So I'm gonna make his breakfast. So by the time he comes home, breakfast will be made for him, I think. I feel so bad. I felt so bad. I was like, oh my god, I forgot the sugar and I forgot the strawberry stuff. And he was like, I'll go get them, that's fine. I was like, oh my gosh. Do you think hey, do you want to get some paper towels as well? Okay. Bye. I forgot paper towels too. Oh my god. Babe, I'm sorry.
For what?
You had to go back.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Well, I want that fruit salad.
Yeah. Oh my god, you guys, look at all the mess I did for just breakfast. It looks so crazy how messy my kitchen is from just making breakfast this morning. So I just tore this open and look, you guys, there's a bread right there. Oh my gosh. And then there's even some over here. Like, what in the world? What? At least I washed one pan. You know, after you eat, you get like a little tired and stuff. Well, I'm a little tired right now and I do not even want to do this. I don't want to do it, you guys. Ugh. But I don't know what I hate more, seeing it like this or picking it up. So I think I'm just gonna pick it up, I guess. I need to clean up my refrigerator. It is a mess and it's already getting to me, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna clean up my refrigerator so it's nice and ready for tomorrow. I only picked up a few things from the market today, this morning, because we are planning to go as a family tomorrow and pick out what we really want. So Lily, Tyler, and Michael can pick out what they want and what we need tomorrow. So we're gonna go tomorrow as a family to the market. So I only picked up what I needed, like eggs and milk and bread for breakfast this morning. So it's kind of good that we are going tomorrow. The first thing I'm gonna do is take everything out of the refrigerator so I can have like a clean slate and nothing's in my way to wipe down the refrigerator. And also I'm gonna be throwing out all the food that I don't want. So it's always nice getting everything out and then looking at everything that's expired, that needs to be thrown out. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna wipe down the refrigerator.
Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. imagination's got me hard. Sky is blue, the doubt is gone up from my mind. Maybe soon I'll have your body up on mine. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear that? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear that? Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing. Do you hear the blackbird? Do you feel it in you? Must be feeling something. Maybe it's the thrill of the spring. Maybe it's a love thing.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are. The only thing I ever wanted starts with us taking the chance. Not like anything we've done before. Yeah. Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Come run away, don't be afraid. We'll be okay, and I know it's the right thing to do. Let's break away. All colors will fade. Let's go our own way.
Alrighty, you guys, well, I just changed into my pajamas. They're kind of cute. I got them from Walmart. They're these shorts right here. They're so cheap, you guys. And then my shirt is from Walmart as well. And I'm always putting this because I'm always cold. But anyway, I put my wrinkle cream on for the night and took off all my makeup, put my hair up. But anyway, this is the end of the video. So I just wanted to tell you guys, oh my God, I still have my restroom to clean. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at my restroom, you guys. It looks terrible. It looks so terrible, you guys, but like I always say, I'm not gonna do it today. And just because I don't do my whole house today, tomorrow is another day and I can tackle that tomorrow. I don't have to do everything all in one day, so I will be doing that tomorrow. And I'm not perfect, so you know that it's almost, that's just life. It's almost the end of the day already. The sun's going down, so I will tackle that tomorrow. Tomorrow is another day. So alrighty, you guys, well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really love for you to consider subscribing. And that is it, you guys. I will see you on my next video.